everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. My name is Verilyn, and today I'm going to be doing a general reading for my Pisces for September 2018. Now, for some of you guys who are new, you could take advantage of that free reading. I am picking one lucky winner each week for a free email reading. All you have to do is subscribe and share any one of my videos, okay? Sharing is caring, guys, getting me out there, okay? I also love hearing from you guys from the free readings. If you can't wait for that opportunity, you can also email me about a private one, okay? I am also doing the pre-recorded emails, okay? $35 for a 30-minute reading and $70 for 60. This is really popular for people who want to get a reading done for their whole year. That way you can go back and watch it throughout the year for inspiration, see if things are lining up, all right? And I also am doing FaceTime and over the phone too as well. If you would like to try out one of those simple email readings, okay, they're only $10 a piece, okay? I know there's a really popular between everybody. Sorry about all the traffic that's going on in the background. Must be a busy month for you guys. Well, I know it is. So let's dive into it. September 2018 for my lovely healing Pisces, okay? Your element is water. Your ruling planet is Neptune. Okay, so September 5th, you have Mercury entering Virgo. This is going to bring you're going to be a little bit more attentive to detail. Your communication will be a little bit more on point, and this is going to affect your coworkers, perhaps your spouse, the person you are dating, your siblings. Okay, this goes for everybody. Take advantage of that. September 6th, Saturn is turning direct in Capricorn. Thank goodness, right? We had so many retrogrades over the summer. Summer might have been a little chaotic, all over the place, okay? Because it has been for everybody. If you've been able to keep your cool, if you're a pro through those retrogrades, not everybody is. Okay? So you have been having to deal with that, okay? But finally, Saturn is turning direct in Capricorn, and also, it's a benefit because it's sitting happy there, okay? Same with Mercury in Virgo, okay? Virgo's ruler is Mercury. Capricorn's ruler is Saturn, okay? So you might have a little bit more attentive and a little bit more discipline in your life, okay? Being able to stand up for yourself. The beginning of the month for you guys is really just to make sure that the course that you are on, the things that you are really worried about or consuming yourself, does it serve you anymore? If not, let it go. In the beginning of the month, you're going to have that little bit of clear mind, dip into your unconscious thoughts too as well to see if the track that you're on really serves you and serves your calling. Okay, September 9th, Venus is entering Scorpio, and there's a new moon in Virgo same day, guys. So for me, this is a rebirth, okay? Regarding what you are interested in, your passions, your love life. If you have that toxic ex, that's lingering in your life, you keep going back, or perhaps you're currently with them, or a marriage that's just not right, you're going to have a rebirth, and so are them, okay? Scorpio represents a new cycle, okay? A new complete cycle in life. So for some of you guys, not only are you starting a new chapter in life, you are starting a whole new novel, okay? So let's be excited for that. September 10th, Mars is entering Aquarius, okay? So there's going to be a little bit more charge behind the what ifs in life, the freedom. You might find yourself wanting to rebel around this time, which go with it, because if it is to the best of everybody else and good karma and to your calling, go forth with it. Okay, manifest those dreams. Okay, September 21st, Mercury is entering Libra. Okay, so a balanced, maybe you're going to not only having more balance in your communication, but you also just might find yourself wanting to redecorate your home. Maybe your whole wardrobe, focus on yourself, kind of have a new creative way of life, okay? Also communication too, because Mercury is the planet of communication, and Libra, holds a lot of the arts, but also is well balanced, okay? So you have a full moon in Aries, September 24th, okay? So there's going to be an area possibly regarding your finances, your money. It could bring new news for your, you know, financial matter, which is good, right? Also, Aries is the leaders, the pioneers of the zodiac signs, and with a full moon having that ability and that power, you are really going to be able to make your dreams manifest and come about to what you want for this month, okay? So the beginning of the month is really finding what works for you, what doesn't, getting rid of it completely, whether it's a person, bad habits, you know, are you smoking? Get rid of it. You know, those little financial things, like, are you still paying for cable? You know, are you going out to the bar too much with your friends and spending all this money that you shouldn't? Whatever it is, those bad habits, let go of them too, okay? All right, so I said this was a card reading, right? Let's jump into it. All right, so for my Pisces, for September 2018. You know, I will pretty soon actually have your October. Oh my, look at that. Already you had a card that popped out. The Four of Wands. So there is going to be some unity regarding your family or in your work, okay? There could be a uniting of co-workers. You know, that drama, the extra drama that you deal with in the workforce, sometimes you just got to get rid of it. So there is going to be some unity. Perhaps if you are single, this is finding somebody who is like-minded, okay? Has similar interests. Maybe you want to pick up an activity, whether it's painting or rock climbing, going to the library. You are going to find somebody that has similar tastes, okay? This could also represent good networking in business-related opportunities, okay? So take forth with it, okay, guys? All right, obviously you could tell that's a card of celebration. Let me zoom in here for you guys. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Raising and appraising, okay? This is a card that you want in your reading, and you're starting off with it. So there's going to be definitely a change as soon as you start September. Congratulations for some of you guys that are starting school again or for the first time. Perhaps some of you guys who are taking Reiki courses to get certified. Congratulations, guys. That is one step forward to improving yourself. All right. Let's get a couple more cards for my Pisces. Oh, you know what? This is what we're going with. Oh my. All right. So you have the Lovers, you have the Death card, you have the Three of Wands, and you have the Ace of Pentacles. All right, guys. This is definitely I feel from this reading it is kind of a whole new book in your life. You're starting out with the Lovers card after the Four of Wands. So whoever that you're finding a good way of networking in your life, you're going to have a great bond with them, okay? This could actually mean love itself or a really strong partnership, okay? Whether you're going into business with someone you know, a friend, or you know, someone you met through networking, okay? The Death card, that is the card that represents Scorpio. So the fact that you have the Lovers card and Scorpio back to back. Now, if you remember from what I was saying, Venus is entering Scorpio the 9th. So you're having that energy in the beginning. So that's probably going to hit you really hard. September 9th. Remember that, okay? And that same day, you are having a full new moon in Virgo. All right, guys? So many opportunities may unfold around that time. The new moon may expand different opportunities, okay? Options that you have in life, okay? Being in Virgo, different opportunities, the details, guys, okay? So a strong change. That is also why I like to talk about the planets and what's in what sign in the beginning, because I really do feel it plays out with the cards, okay? You have the Lovers card here, so there's going to be some type of unity, a similar way of thinking, a bonding between two people or a community, okay? You have the Death card, which definitely is that Scorpio, a new change, a new beginning, okay? This doesn't mean somebody's gonna die. I feel like people people do look at the death card sometimes, being kind of nervous and scared, but you know what? Get over it. It's a new change. You're kind of shedding that old layer, all right? And the Three of Wands, you're kind of looking at, I feel like this could be you still looking at the past, the what ifs, you know, the options. Did I choose the right one? And for some of you guys, this is your success slowly starting to come in, okay? You're looking at what is to come. You see the light at the end of the tunnel, okay? You're not looking behind you, you're looking forward, okay? But for some of you guys that don't know if you made that right decision or not, if you did it in good karma and it is to your calling, it is for the better, okay? You have to roll with it. You have to be brave. You have to have that determination on what it is that you are really going for in life, okay? Don't let anybody hold you back, okay? They're wasting their time, all right, with my Pisces. You guys are the go-getters, the healers. All right, the Ace of Pentacles. Absolutely, hands down, there's going to be a new way of revenue or a new way of spending, maybe a new job opportunity, a promotion. This is absolutely financial gain in my mind for all of you guys, okay? Even if it's just like I said earlier, if you stop smoking cigarettes, just those bills, okay? You can get a lot done with that. If you are looking for a promotion in your job, you are going to get it if you let yourself be reborn again, okay? It is coming, that opportunity, that job. If you keep, you know, applying, putting in your resumes, you're going to get an answer. There's going to be some financial gain there, okay? You have the Pentacles. They represent wealth, and that is an opportunity when it comes in ace form. All right, guys, what a lovely reading. And all those cards popped out, and I love when they do, because that is definitely the other side letting me know that this is what needs to be said. This is what my Pisces need to hear. Okay, so I'm feeling we're going to do a few from the angels. All right, so let's do 2 cards from the angels for my Pisces for September 2018. All right. What do they need to know? What advice, messages, guidance do my Pisces need to know for 2018 September? Saying goodbye to summer and hello to fall. All right, so I had another one jump out at me, the Hermit. Okay, spend time in quiet meditation, spiritual teaching, self-discovery. Some of you guys need to get in touch with yourself again. What is it that makes you happy? Go do it. Meditate again. Maybe, you know, open up some books that have some spiritual ways of thinking that really catch your attention and inspire you. Go forth with it. Like I hear a motorcycle go by. If some of you guys need to drive on that motorcycle to get your mind clear before winter comes along, go forth and do with it. Also, for some of you who are single or maybe looking, the Hermit is also the card that represents Virgos. Okay? Also, the Lovers cards does Gemini, and you have Death card, that is Scorpio. So there could be a lot of changes in your life. Okay, maybe people will be coming in. Maybe those are going to be your networking source, okay? All right, you know, I know Virgos are good to start a business with. They are very into detail, so they don't let anything slip. They dot all their I's and cross all their T's. All right, so let's do another one. I'm feeling another one from the angels. I kind of just roll with it. You know, if you guys do a private reading with me, you can request to get them from the original tarot, the angels. I also have a fairy deck. I have native spirits. I have karma cards. I have all kinds of good stuff. You can get your spirit animal. Everybody always loves that. All right. So let's see here. One for my Pisces for September 2018. All right, we got one out here. 6 of Fire, victory, good news on its way, public recognition or a reward. Let's zoom up on that card. Look at that. Beautiful. There you go. I love these cards. They have great illustrations. Words of wisdom. Sometimes there's messages. That little kick in the butt that we need. All right. So, let me see. I'm going to do one from the fairies. Why? Because I feel like it. That's what I'm being told to do. Maybe there's a message that just needs to be told for some of you. I don't know. These cards are great. Their illustrations are adorable. I just love it. You'll see in a minute. Did I have one flip over there? Nope. Alright. Oh my. Maybe some of you guys do need to get on that train and see that somebody. I don't know. Maybe just to get on a train and just go travel. Get some exercise. As your body becomes stronger, you begin to feel stronger in all ways. All these cards jumped out, guys. Alright, you have listened to all that ruckus going on out there, guys. You guys got to get it done. Go forth with it. Admit your true self. Admit your true feelings to yourself. Be honest with yourself. Only you know what it is, what it is that you truly desire. And ain't that the truth? This card is so cute. Admit your true feelings to yourself. Because when you do so, then you can move forward. Alright? Walk away, leave the unhealthy situation, and enjoy new doors that open as a result. Yep, if it's that toxic ex, let it go. If it's that unhealthy habit, have you been drinking too much? Are you smoking? Are you not exercising anymore? That junk food can really do a number on you too, guys. You have that exercise card in there too. Maybe you need to go on that hike. Alright. Well, I feel like that pretty much concludes the reading for September 2018 for my lovely Pisces, my water sign, my healers. Alright, so if you would like that private reading, go ahead and let me know. If not, if you would like that free chance, all you have to do is subscribe and share any one of my videos to any social media. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. Have a beautiful day.